Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix overheating problem on iPhone. In extreme summer your iPhone get very hot due to which you have facing overheating problem. Apart from this, continuous use of mobile also lead to problem of overheating. By following these few settings you can save your iPhone from overheating problem. Turn off your device after 2 minutes turn on. Solution 1. Click on Settings app. In Setting page, click on Siri and search. Turn off Press Side button from Siri. Again turn off Siri in pop-up window. Turn off Show Suggestions. Turn off Show Recents. Turn off Allow Notification. Solution 2. Click on Settings app. In Setting page, scroll down, find Privacy and Security and click on it. Click on Tracking. Turn off Allow app to request to tracking. Solution 3. If you don't use your location and don't need to give your location, you can turn it off. Click on Settings app. In Setting page, click on Privacy and Security. Click on Location Services at top of the page. Turn off Location Services. You can save a lot of battery by turn off location. Solution 4. Click on Settings app. In Setting page, scroll down, find Battery and click on it. In short, apps is consuming most battery of my iPhone. If you feel that app is not being used much but it is consuming battery, you can upload or delete unnecessary apps. Clear app history so it won't drain your iPhone's battery. Solution 5. Click on Settings app. In Setting page, click on General. Click on Background App Refresh. Turn off Background App Refresh unnecessary apps. Solution 6. Make sure your iPhone or iPad on latest version of iOS or iPad OS. Click on Settings app. In Setting page, click on General. Click on Software Update. If update available, then click on Download and Install and update your iPhone or iPad. Solution 7. Click on Settings app. Click on Display and Brightness. Click on Dark. Solution 8. Click on Settings app. In Setting page, click on General. Click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset. Click on Reset All Setting. Enter your iPhone passcode. Again click on Reset All Setting to confirm this process. When you put your iPhone on charging, remove iPhone cover or use continuously, then remove iPhone cover. Guys, if this video helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe.